In front of me is iPad 13 2026, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, you need to hold your screen until your icons will start shaking. When they do, tap on Edit at the top left corner and select Customize option. Then click on this icon at the top right corner of Customize Pop-up and wait. Then click on your screen, and as you can see, all of my icons became bigger. Unfortunately, after you do this, you won't see any labels. If you want to go back to standard size, hold your screen again and go back to the same section. Customize here. Then click on the same icon to restore the default ones. Quick tip, if you want to do something else with your icons, try all of those options here. Default, dark, tinted, and my favorite, clear. You can always go back to the default ones by clicking on this icon on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!